going to show you 5 places that you should visit in UiTM Cawangan.
Let's go!
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I'm Ashrah. Now I'm going to tell you about the student center, or to all of us, it is known as Pusat Pelajar. The student center is located near the student faculties. There has many facilities provided to all students. One of the infamous place in student center is the theater room. As we can see right now, there is an auditions going on the stage. The auditions was held to find a new talents among the students who can perform on stage, like singing, dancing, and acting. Besides that, there are also has bus ticket booths, mini market, and food stalls. Q-Mart also located between the places. It sells the stuff that all students need. Here, students can meet up for a discussion, while can also have an access to the Wi-Fi for free. ATM machines is also provided for the money withdrawal, check money balance, and bill payment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ariana and I'm gonna be your tour guide. So let's tour the library. We just know as Tengku Anis Library. First of all, students need to access their student ID using the computer that provide before enter the library. In this library, we have locker for students to put their stuff. In this library, we have information center, Wi-Fi center, which is student can surf the internet here to do their assignment. In this library, they also have so much book about core subject. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Iza Shafika. Now I'm gonna tell you about Islamic Center, or we call it Pusat Islam. It's easy for students to go there because the place is located nearby the faculties. Pusat Islam is the place where student goes to pray 5 times a day. There will be lecture about Islam after Maghrib prayer every day. You also can recite the Al-Quran at the Islamic Center because Al-Quran are provided there. That's all from me. Thank you.
Ku imbasi jalan yang berliku, penuh gelisah dan harus ku takutkan. Merantai jiwaku, berat hatiku menanggung.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Ilham. So now, I'm going to tell you about Professional Hall, or it known as Dewan Pro. Dewan Pro is one of the places that always be used to make the events such as interim week program and student graduation ceremony. Dewan Pro is also one of the platform to do the performance on the stage. It will also the place to give talks to all students. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rosmanisa. The last attraction is a sport complex located near the student college. Usually, students will fill their free time here in the evening. Here, students can play outdoor games such as basketball, volleyball, football, netball, frisbee, and more. They are free to play anywhere they want until 7 p.m. That's all from me. Thank you.
Tonight I wanna show you off what you got. A billion could've never bought. We gonna party like it's 30 12 tonight. I wanna show you all the finer things in life. So just forget about the world we got tonight. I'm coming for ya, I'm coming for ya. 'Cause all I need is a beauty and a beat who can make my life complete. It's all about you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ilham bin Jamaluddin.
Hi, my name is Nur Ashra binti Maharudin. Hi, my name is Rosmanisa binti Muhammad Zaki. Hi, my name is Nuriza Syafiqah binti Azlan.
Hi, my name is Arjuna binti Amizam. We are from
Fakulti Business and Management PA111.
Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Today I'm going to show you 5 places that you should visit in UiTM Cawangan. Let's go!
So hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks.
Ajak tangannya.
Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to